This is Professor Montgomery. I want to help you with question number 9 in your homework assignment, chapter 2.1 homework. It says use the magnitudes rounded to 2 decimal places of the 100 earthquakes included in the accompanying data set to construct a frequency distribution. Use a class width of 0.50 and begin with a lower class limit of 0.00. Does the frequency distribution appear to be normal? So let's set up our lower class limits first because we know the class width is 0.50. So the next class will begin at 0.50 and then it'll go to 1.00 and then it will go to 1.50 and then 2.00 and 2.50. Now to set up your upper class limits, since we're using 2 decimal places. The first decimal place is the tenths place, the second decimal place is the hundredths place. So I want to subtract 1/100th from 0.50. So let me just show you that on the calculator. So 0.50 minus 1/100th, which is 0.01, that is 0.49. So the upper class limit for the first class is 0.49. And again, if I'm going to subtract 1/100th from 1.00, that would be 1.00 minus 0.01, which is 0.99. And here you can see a pattern emerging. So here we have the third class upper limit will be 1.49. This one will be 1.99. This one will be 2.49. And then this last upper class limit will be 2.99. Okay, so we have our class limit set up. Now what I want to do is open up StatCrunch to find the frequencies. So we'll open StatCrunch. And while that's loading, let me move things around so we can see both of these. Okay, so I have my data here. I'm going to select Graph, Histogram, and I'm going to select this column to select the data, and the bins are set up with our class width, so that starts at 0.00 and the class width is 0.50, and we hit compute and we have our frequencies. So let me let's see if I can get these on the same page. I don't have to close one. Okay, so the first class has a frequency of 10, so I can put that in. And then if I just hover over this bar here, if I click on this bar, I can see I've got 33 data in that class. And the third class has, if I hover over it, it has 35. And the fourth class, it has, if I hover over it, 14. And then this class has 6. And then this last one has 2, frequency of 2. Okay, so I can check answer. And then let's look carefully at the data. And we can see it starts at 10 and then it goes up to 35 and then it comes down to 2. So that appears to be a normal distribution. So it's reasonable to say that it's normal. And then it's because it starts low, increases, and then it decreases, and it's roughly symmetric. Okay, I hope this helps everyone. Take care.